everyone, it's Sky here. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you are new. So we've recently hit 5,000 subscribers, which is absolutely amazing. I want to thank each and every one of you for your support, for supporting me and the channel, for just being in the coloring community and being so awesome. I greatly appreciate you guys. So in order to celebrate hitting 5,000 subscribers, we're going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to be giving away 3 different prizes. And I just wanted to thank you guys for watching the ads that pop up on my video. It's because of you guys doing that this giveaway is possible. So part of the giveaway is being covered by the ad revenue, and then I'm going to cover the rest. So before we get into what the prizes are, I just wanted to talk about how the giveaway is going to work. So I was trying to think of how to get the items to the winners, especially with the way the world is right now. I have no idea what shipping restrictions there are in other parts of the world, so I want to play this as safe as possible. I was originally thinking about just buying the items off of my Amazon and then shipping them out myself to the winners. But then I was thinking, if something happens to the items, if they arrive damaged, if they get delivered to the wrong address, the post is not going to take responsibility for that, and I don't have the funds to replace items. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to buy the items off of the winner's Amazon. That way Amazon can ship it to them themselves if they arrive damaged or if anything's wrong. Amazon will usually take responsibility and make it right. So this way the items are a little bit more insured. So what's going to happen there is if you win one of the prizes, you're going to add the item that you won to your wish list. You're going to send me your wish list, and I'm going to buy it off of there. That way it gets to you. And then you don't even have to give me your address, which is awesome, right? You still have privacy. Amazon will cover anything that potentially could happen. So I think it's just the safest way to do it that way. So you will need an Amazon account, and you need an address that Amazon will ship to in order to even enter this giveaway. How we're going to decide on a winner. So I'm going to have a draw for each of the different prizes. And I'm just going to list everybody's names that are entering for those prizes. And then I'm just going to use a random number generator to choose a winner, and then I will post a video with all of that. I'll include all of that, putting the names in, choosing a winner. All of that will be in the giveaway announcement video. And yeah, so we're going to do it that way. So again, there's 3 prizes. We'll get into what those are shortly here. Again, you need to have an Amazon account. You need to have an address that Amazon will ship to. You need to be subscribed to the channel. And then you also need to comment down below 2 things in the same comment, please, just to keep it from getting too clustered. I'd like you to comment for what prize you're entering for. You can enter for one of the prizes, a combination of the 3, or all 3. Just let me know in the comment. And then I would also like you to let me know what Amazon you use. That way I can just do a little bit of research and make sure that the items would even be able to get to you. So that's all you need to do, really. I do want to say that you can't win more than 1 prize, and I will be doing the draws backwards. So I'm going to start from the 3rd place prize, and then I'll draw the 2nd place prize, and then I'll draw the 1st place prize. So if you win one of those, you are ineligible to win the other 2 or any of the other ones. Hopefully that makes sense. So the giveaway is going to start now, and it's going to end on April 15th at 7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. And then I'll have the giveaway announcement up on Friday the 23rd. I'm not sure what time. I know there is quite a big gap in between that time, but I pretty much work a full-time job, and I need to have time to be able to get the lists of everybody's names together, and I just like to make sure that I'm going to have that video up on the date I say, and that way it's not late, so I want to give myself plenty of time. So that is the rules and how all of it's going to work. And now let's go ahead and look at the prizes. Okay, so the 3rd place prize is going to be Hannah's newest book. It's Whimsy Girls Celebrate the Holidays and Festive Occasions. This book is absolutely beautiful. It's got a multitude of different holidays, different special occasion pictures. There's literally something for everybody in here, I'm sure of it. It is absolutely gorgeous, and I love it. I am going to show you a quick flip through, and I did just recently finish the April color along, so you'll be able to see that as well. So we've got some Christmas pictures, Hanukkah, Thanksgiving, Halloween, there's wedding pictures, graduation. There's 2 pages of each. There's a detailed version and a simplified version. They are just absolutely beautiful. This is the page that I recently colored. This book takes pencils so well. I used Prismacolor Premiers for this. Just absolutely beautiful paper. Even though it's Amazon paper, I really like it. So I feel like you would get a lot of use out of this book. So that's going to be the prize for third place. Next is the second place prize. So these are the Prismacolor Scholar pencils. Unfortunately, I sold my backup sets to my cousin, so I can't really show you what the case looks like. We'll go ahead and look on Amazon here shortly, but this is what the pencils look like. There's 60 different colors, or I should say there's 60 pencils total. There's 2 blacks, 2 whites, and then the rest are unique colors. I actually really liked that the set came with 2 blacks because I do use a lot of black. And there is a good variety of colors. You can get some really good depth with them. They are great beginner budget pencils. I still love mine. So this is what the case would look like. And then you can buy a pencil case for them, but the case itself also doubles as a stand, which is really awesome. I love that. This is what the pencils look like. So you do get a large variety. And then I'll show you a picture that I colored with these so you can see how vibrant. So this is Kirby Roseanne's Anamorphia, and this is one of my favorite pictures that I colored with the Scholars because it really shows how bright and vivid those colors are. There's tons of tones. You can get a lot of depth with these. They are just all out gorgeous pencils. And then first place prize, of course, is a full set of the Prismacolor Premier pencils. So these are this is a set of 150 soft core colored pencils, and these are absolutely my favorite pencils. I'm sure most of you already know that. They are wonderful. I love them. They are a little bit on the pricier side, but honestly, they are so worth it, and I am so happy with my set, and I am very excited to be able to give one of you a set of your own. Honestly, I wish I could give all of you a set of these, but unfortunately I'm not a millionaire yet anyways, maybe one day. So these are all the different colors that it comes in. This is how the case comes in. I think I'm only missing one pencil out of here. I did have to take a replacement for the dark umber out of this. All of my other pencils are in here ready to replace their brothers and sisters. So this is my backup set that the lovely Miss Melody sent me, and I haven't been coloring a whole lot, otherwise I would probably be much into this set already, but I do like having a peace of mind knowing that I've got backup pencils. So this is going to be the first place prize. Alright, so that is it for this giveaway. So again, comment down below for what prize or prizes you're entering for and what Amazon you're going to use, and make sure you get your entry in before April 15th. Please know that I'll be putting everybody's names in the spreadsheets in the order that they show up. So since we're using random number generator, it's just going to be complete luck on what number you are for what comment you are. So keep that in mind. And yeah, good luck everybody. And I will see you on the 23rd when we announce who the winner is. All right, guys. As always, take care and I'll see you next time. Bye. Stars fall at my feet, keep me grounded as I reach higher than I see. Is there something there for me?